Hello there, people of the internet. Welcome to this brand new video. Today I'm in the shed, thanks to Dean and Chloe, a couple of my friends who helped me out with many stuff on my cars before. I've got a new phone, so if you're wondering why the camera quality is a lot better, it is because of the new phone. So this is our next project, this door. Now, you guys may remember the door on my Corsa is completely bust. We had to bend this door back because I left the keys in the car and somehow I locked it on a car that has no central locking. Not only that's got loads of rust on the bottom, and well, it's seen better days. Storm Dennis flew the door corner into a wall. So this is the new project that we're doing. I've got some sandpaper in this bucket here. We've got a compressor over there. Got a couple of things on the floor, even a new door handle which hasn't got a lock on this one, which is good because that means I can't lock myself in on one door. And I put my keys in the broken lock that I put it in, and I couldn't get the key out the door. So this is the new door, guys, and we're going to change it into Fumin's colour and put it on the car. It's going to take a couple of days, so if you guys are wondering why I haven't made a video for a while, it's because we've been making this blue. Let's get to it. I'm going to sand it down.
I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you drive me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could stray. Won't you kiss me? Ain't no way. Won't you? Come and try me now.
Loads of rubber residue on this door. Loads of it. Doing a circular motion, as he says. A lot of labour involved in this. Anything's for fuming right now. Make sure I do the door corners here. So you guys already remember we've done the boot. Yeah, we've done the boot, we've done the wing, and now we've got this door that we need to do. Once this is done, this is going to make Fuming look miles better. Miles better than what she is already. So we've got a little bit of rust in this corner down here. I'm sure we can sort that. Now we've done a little bit of sanding. Need to just wipe this door down again, put the air to it and dry it. So let's get to it. Right. Let's wipe this door down with a cloth. Where am I put it? This one. And then get some air to it and see how it looks. To be fair, everything starts in a shed. Okay. Right. the door. Nice and smooth. It's pretty much dry actually. Looking pretty good actually, if I do say myself. Now let's try to sand it lightly, and then it's pretty much prepped. Of course we need to do the underside. That's where the sticker used to be. So we need to do the underneath here next. Resemblance is uncanny.
I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Will you judge me? Ain't no way I could deny you. I could strive.
So guys, this video comes out a little bit late. As you can see clearly by the beard and the hair, it's been a couple of, well, weeks since the rest of that video was shot. So as you guys know already, the paint has gone on. We ran out of time that night, and obviously it's been a bit difficult with work, as you guys know from my last video that I posted. About everything, about getting parts and everything else. So we're going to continue the door tomorrow. When that will be for you guys, I'm not sure, but we're going to continue it from where I'm sitting right now tomorrow, and we're going to see how the paint looks. Now, me and Dean thought that the paint wasn't the same colour when we initially put it on. As you can hear him saying, it's not the right colour. So fingers crossed it is the right colour, and it's just the lighting and the fact that it's white and blue mixing on there looking purple. So let's just hope it's the same colour. So we're going to continue this tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. It's the next morning. I'm still not too sure. There's no lacquer on it. Does have that fleck in there though, that's good. It might be just because of the light in here, perhaps. But I can't tell whether that's too dark or too light. But it definitely looks like a different colour. Well, there's only one way to find out. So now all we need to do is sand the door a little bit, just to flat it off a bit, and then we're going to get this side painted. So that's the next thing. Look at the paint on this wall. Right, so let's go and get some paper, which I have put somewhere. It's here, right? And let's flat this off in circular motion. And make sure that it's not a rough texture. And then let's get this painted. We've also, whilst we're doing this as well, I don't know if you can see the plate of metal over there in the grinder, we're going to weld that hole that's in the arch of the Corsa. So plenty of stuff to do. Not a lot of time to do it all in, but we'll crack on and we'll get this door in ship shape. So now we've sorted the rust and the hole, we have now painted the door. And to be quite honest, it looks so much better than the other side. Okay, so first of all, this is still wet paint. There's no lacquer on this yet, and there is a lot of orange peel. But most cars will have orange peel anyways, and obviously as soon as we've cleaned it all up and polished it, buffed it and everything else, 2000 grit just to get everything down, I think we'll be alright. Very, very good. Look at the amount of blue paint on it, and this is from the past as well, that you guys remember when we did the boot, the wing and the bumper. This shed might as well just be blue by now. Hey, hello, Mr. Spider, you having fun up there smelling paint? But no, it's very good. I think the corners might need addressing again, but other than that, I'm very, very pleased. Looks mint, doesn't it? It's there. Go for it.
Young sir.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you draw me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could stray. Won't you kiss me? Ain't no way. Won't you? Come and try me now, so come and try me now. I was never
Send it. And that concludes this video on the door with fuming. I'm now home. We've done a lot with that door thus far. So it's coming together, this door now. I know to you guys it's only a short video, this, but thus far it's looking pretty good. It's all lacquered, we're just waiting for it all to dry now, and then we can put everything back together in the door and put it on. So stay tuned for part 2 on this door. But until next time, guys, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.